Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson today. How are you, Jake?
Hi, Emma. I'm great, thanks. How about you?
I'm wonderful, thank you. Today, we will talk about the past simple tense, focusing on was and were.
That sounds interesting. What are we going to do first?
First, let's have a short conversation about what we did yesterday. Jake, what did you do yesterday?
I be at the park yesterday. It was very fun.
Ah, you mean you were at the park. It was very fun. What else did you do?
I were with my friends before going home.
That's great. You were with your friends. Did you eat something?
Yes, we was hungry, so we eat pizza.
You ate pizza. That's delicious. You should say, we were hungry. How about you, Emma? What were you doing yesterday?
You were away from home, right?
Exactly. I was at a workshop for teachers, learning new things.
That sounds nice. Did you meet new people?
Yes, I met a lot of interesting teachers. Then, I was tired but happy.
I'm glad to hear that. When was the last time you had fun?
Well, last night was fun. I watched the movie. How about you? What was your last night like?
Last night, I were at home and played video games.
Oh, you played video games. It should be, I was at home. What game did you play?
I played a new game. It was exciting.
Sounds fun. Let's talk more about times. We can use ago, too. How long ago was that game released?
It was released a week ago. I was so happy.
Fantastic. Now, let's move into our explanation section. We use was for singular subjects, like I and he or she. We use were for plural subjects, like we or they.
Can you give us some examples, Emma?
Sure. Here are a few. I was happy yesterday. They were at the concert last night. She was tired before the game. And we were friends a long time ago.
So, was is for one person, and were is for many people?
Exactly. You've got it. Now, let's practice more with the second dialogue.
Okay, I'll try to remember about was and were. What should we talk about this time?
Let's discuss what we did last week. I'll start. Last week, I was in London visiting my family.
That sounds cool. I were there last month.
Oh, you mean you were there last month? Did you see any famous places?
Yes, I saw Big Ben. It was beautiful.
Big Ben is amazing. I was there too. When were you there?
I was there 2 weeks ago.
Very nice. And what else did you see?
I went to the museum. It was very interesting.
Great. Museums are fun. Were there many people there?
Yes, there were many tourists.
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it a lot. Last month was my favorite time to travel.
Wonderful. I also enjoyed my time in London. Then, I saw some friends there.
Did you meet them for dinner?
Yes. We were at a nice restaurant. It was delicious.
Sounds tasty. When were they there? A long time ago?
No, they were there just last week like me.
What about before London? Were you anywhere else?
Yes, I was in Paris a month ago. It was lovely.
Paris is beautiful. I was there 2 years ago.
Well, it's time to go over our vocabulary now. The first word is yesterday. Yesterday, I was at home.
You can also say, I was busy yesterday.
Yesterday is useful. How about the next word, last night?
Last night, I was very tired.
Fantastic. You can also say, I was reading last night.
Wow, we've covered 2 words. What's next?
Our third word is ago. You would say, I was there 2 weeks ago.
Or, It was a long time ago.
Great. Let's move on to before. You can use it like this. I was nervous before the exam.
Before the holiday, I was busy. That's a good one.
Last, we have then. You can say, I was at school, and then I went home.
Nice. Then, I was happy to see my family.
You did well with the vocabulary. Now, let's review what we learned. Question 1. What did Jake do yesterday? Answer using was or were.
I was at the park yesterday.
Excellent. Question 2. Where was Emma yesterday?
She was at a workshop.
Correct. Question 3. When were Jake and Emma in London?
They were there last week.
Right. Question 4. What did Jake do last night?
I was at home playing games.
And last question. When did Emma visit Paris?
She was there a month ago.
Great job, Jake. Now let's close our lesson. What will we learn next time?
Next time, I think we will talk about present simple tense, right?
Yes. We will learn how to talk about daily routines and what we do often. See you next time.
See you, everyone. Bye.